Welcome back, scanners. Today we dive into our brand new feature, the Schedule Internet Downtime. Ready to take control of your household offline time? Let's jump right in. Simply go to the People page and scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see a whole new section dedicated to your internet schedules. With the pre-made homework and bedtime ones, let's create a new one by choosing the schedule name, picking the days of the week and time frame, and selecting the users to apply it to. Now let's switch to Enable. And that's it. Once you're in the selected time range, the internet will be restricted according to your schedule, and you'll see the user's status change. Want to schedule on the go? This feature is also available on mobile, so make sure your Fing app and Fing desktop are linked to use it. To know more about the Schedule Internet Downtime, read our dedicated blog post. You'll find the link in the description box below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.